In this lecture, we'll learn how to find the exact values of the sine, cosine, and tangent of 30, 45, and 60, right? So for that, you need to learn two triangles. This is the first triangle. This is called 45, 45, 90 triangle. This is the angle 90. And the other two are 45 and 45 respectively. And the hypotenuse of this triangle is under root 2. And the sides are 1 and 1. And the other triangle we need to learn is called 30, 60, 90. This is the 90 degree angle. And this is the 30 degree angle. The side opposite to the 30 degree angle is 1. This is our 60 degrees. And the side opposite to the 60 degrees angle is under root 3. And this will give us 1 square plus under root 3 square under root. That will give us 2. So hypotenuse is 2. Alright, so now let's find the sine, cos, tan of this angle of 30, 45 and 60. So here let's put it 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. Now sine of 30 is opposite of hypotenuse. Now this is 30. The opposite side to 30 is 1 and hypotenuse is 2. So sine of 30 is 1 by 2. Sine of 45 is opposite over hypotenuse, 1 over under root 2. Now sine of 45 is 1 over under root 2. Or if you multiply under root 2 in the numerator and the denominator of the fraction, you'll get under root 2 over 2. So sine 45 is 1 over under root 2 or under root 2 over 2. Sine of 60 is opposite or hypotenuse, under root 3 over 2. Right? Now moving on to cosine of these angles. Cos of 30 will be adjacent or hypotenuse. This is the adjacent side of the angle 30. Adjacent or hypotenuse, under root 3 over 2. Cos of 45 will be adjacent or hypotenuse, 1 over under root 2. Or multiplying under root 2 in the numerator and the denominator of this fraction will get under root 2 over 2. Cos of 60 is adjacent or hypotenuse, 1 over 2. Now moving on to the tangent of this angle, tan. Tan of 30 will be 1 over under root 3, as tan is opposite or adjacent. So tan of 30 will be 1 over under root 3. Or if I multiply under root 3 in the numerator and the denominator of this fraction, we will get under root 3 over 3. And tan of 45 is 1 over 1, which is 1. Tan of 60 is under root 3 over 1, which is under root 3. So that's how you find the exact values of the sine, cosine and tangent of the angles 30, 45 and 60. See, this was quite simple. All you need to do is to learn this triangle, which is the 45, 45, 90 and its sides. In the 45, 45, 90 triangle, the hypotenuse is under 2 and the other two sides are 1 and 1. And this triangle 30, 60, 90, in this the side opposite to 30 is 1 and the side opposite to 60 is under root 3. Hence you get the hypotenuse, which is 2. So see, this is quite simple. It's quite simple to find the exact values of the sine, cosine and tangent of 30, 45 and 60.